Hi. In this lecture, let us look at intercompany transfer. In the last lecture, we did the intracompany transfer. Intercompany transfer of asset is from company code A to company code B. So, company A may sell its assets to a company code B at a price or free of charge, and that is handled through intercompany transfer. So let us first select two company codes, 0006 and 3000. Then we create assets in this company code. So I go to asset master record, create an asset in company code 0006 in the asset class 3200. This we can call it Acer laptop. Cost center is great. Save. So we have the asset getting created here. Now we post an acquisition or purchase the laptop Acer from the vendor. For that, F-43. Amount, let's give it 10,000 or 9,000. Asset acquisition is 70. Posting key F4 and Acer laptop. Select Acer laptop. It's an external acquisition, so transaction type is 100. Post. So asset purchase has been posted to this asset master record. We have purchased the Acer laptop in the company code 6 in this asset master record. We can verify this in Asset Explorer AW01 and so this is the asset. And see, the APC is 9,000 and planned depreciation on this is 1,800. So the net book value on this planned will be 7,200. Fiscal year 2010. Okay. This company code 0006. Now we do the intercompany asset transfer. So let us create an asset master record in this company code 3000 AS01. Company code 3000. The asset class, let us select the same asset class, but the company code is different. Here again, call it for identification IBM laptop. See, so this asset master record 3402 has been created. Intercompany transfer ABT1 and now that is from change company code 0006, which asset? Acer laptop. We purchased for 9,000. Let us sell it off for 6,000. The new company code is 3,000, and we transfer it to asset IBM laptop. Enter. Simulate. Okay, so the issue is we are trying to post in 2010 fiscal year, which is open in company code 0006. However, this is fiscal year, it's closed in company code 3000, which means we have to do there is a series of steps. We have to close the fiscal year in company code 0006 and then transfer the asset to 3000 in the fiscal year in which it is open. But this is the way intercompany transfer is done. So this is the last step. If the fiscal year was open for 3010, we would have saved and the asset transfer, intercompany asset transfer would have happened. In the next lecture, we will look at some other transactions like asset write-up, write-down, depreciation, and so on.